Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall do unit number 8, session number 2. The name of the session is Edit the document. Edit means make some changes in the document. Changes means want to remove some data, want to insert some data. That operation is called editing operation. Now in this session we shall do following points. First one is select text. Means if we want to do any modification on data, for that we have to select the text, and for that we use the shortcut key, that is Control plus A. With the help of Control plus A, we can select all the data. Next point is selecting vertical block of text. Means sometimes we need to select data vertically. For that there is a shortcut key, that is Shift plus Alt plus F8, or you can say Alt plus Shift plus F8. This key is used for select vertical block of text. Next is moving or copying text. Means moving means change the position of the text. For an example, suppose this is our Word document, and in this document we write something. Now this is fourth line and we want to change the position of the fourth line. Means instead of here we want to move this line here. Then how we can move? We use cut operation from here. For cut we use the shortcut key Control plus X. We use the Control plus X, cut, then move our cursor here, and here we press Control plus V. That is for paste, or we can also do from edit menu. Next is finding text. Finding text means suppose we have a document, and in that document we want to find out any word. Then how we can find out? With the help of Control plus F. We use the Control plus F key for finding the text. When we press the Control plus F, a dialog box will appear. The name of dialog box is Find, and in that dialog box there is one box. We write text there and then click on Find button. When we click on Find button, it will highlight the text whatever we write on Find dialog box. Next is using Find and Replace dialog box. All of you know that what is the meaning of find? If we want to find out any data, at that time we use find. And replace means if we want to replace some data with another data. For an example, again this is our document. In this document so many words are here, and suppose in this document one word is the, and we want to replace that word with these. Then how we can do? We click on the find and replace, and when we click on the find and replace dialog box will appear. Find and replace dialog box will appear, and in that dialog box there are two boxes, one for find and second for replace. Suppose we want to replace the with these. In the box we write the, and replace box we write these, and here are two buttons. First one is replace and second one is replace all. When we click on the replace, it will replace one occurrence at a